6 psychological tricks that can make anyone fall for you. Securing someone's affection can prove to be quite the formidable task, yet delving into the intricacies of attraction psychology can equip you with a considerable advantage. Within the confines of this article, we shall embark on a journey to unravel 6 psychological strategies, wielding the power to enrapture the very souls and thoughts of those you yearn for. It is of paramount importance to emphasize that these tactics must be wielded with the utmost ethical standards and genuine intentions, as they are the tools that can pave the path toward fostering more profound connections and nurturing fulfilling relationships. The power of active listening. Active listening stands as one of the most powerful psychological tactics in the quest to make someone fall for you. It is the art of wholeheartedly absorbing another person's words, a gesture that sends a resounding message of respect for their thoughts and emotions. Engage in active listening by steadfastly holding eye contact, nodding in agreement, and crafting thoughtful responses to their utterances. This seemingly uncomplicated act holds within it the potential to cultivate a profound connection, rendering you more alluring and captivating in the eyes of the beholder. As you genuinely immerse yourself in their narrative, you communicate that their words matter to you, and their feelings are not just acknowledged but valued. The sustained eye contact demonstrates your undivided attention, while nods signify your comprehension and empathy. Thoughtful responses, devoid of haste, exhibit your willingness to engage deeply with their thoughts and feelings. Mirror their body language. There exists a compelling psychological phenomenon that reveals the power of mirroring in human interactions. This intriguing concept suggests that people are inherently inclined towards individuals who replicate their body language and gestures. Aptly termed mirroring, this phenomenon has the remarkable ability to forge subconscious connections between people. To employ this subtle yet effective technique, endeavor to delicately align your own posture, gestures, and even tone of voice with that of your conversation partner. By engaging in mirroring, you create an unspoken harmony in your nonverbal communication. It sends an unambiguous signal that you are attuned to their cues and in sync with their sentiments. This synchronization fosters a palpable sense of comfort and connection, as they perceive you as someone who understands them on an almost instinctual level. The beauty of mirroring lies in its subtlety, as it operates beneath the surface of conscious awareness. When skillfully executed, it can act as a bridge that bridges the emotional distance between two individuals, ultimately making them feel more at ease and drawn to your presence. In essence, mirroring serves as a potent tool for enhancing your appeal and establishing an immediate, unspoken bond that transcends words. Compliment sincerely. Compliments wield a formidable influence when wielded with authenticity and sincerity. Instead of resorting to the commonplace, generic praises, embrace the art of specificity in your commendations. Elevate your compliments to a level of authenticity where you highlight their individualistic qualities and personal accomplishments, imparting upon them a profound sense of recognition and uniqueness. The magic of genuine compliments lies in their ability to elevate self-esteem and foster a positive perception of your presence. When your praise is specific and earnest, it transcends mere flattery. It becomes a reflection of your genuine appreciation for the person you are complimenting. By drawing attention to their distinctive attributes and acknowledging their personal achievements, you communicate that you see and value them for who they are. In doing so, you not only boost their self-esteem but also cultivate a warm, appreciative association with your presence. Genuine compliments, like beams of sunshine, have the power to illuminate a person's day and leave an enduring impact. They serve as a testament to your sincerity and admiration, rendering you a source of positivity and affirmation in their life. In this way, authentic compliments become an indispensable tool for enhancing your appeal and forging deeper connections with others. Create mystery and intrigue. Intrigue and curiosity hold an undeniable allure in human interactions. It's a fundamental truth that people are inherently drawn to the enigmatic and the unknown. To harness the power of this magnetic force, consider the art of selective disclosure when sharing your thoughts and experiences. Allow your conversation partner to glimpse only fragments of your life and interests, strategically leaving some aspects shrouded in mystery. By doing so, you stimulate their innate curiosity, kindling a desire to unravel the captivating enigma that is you. Sharing selectively means offering tantalizing glimpses into your world while holding back certain details, thus creating an aura of intrigue around your persona. This withholding of information encourages them to invest more time and effort in getting to know you better, as they yearn to uncover the hidden layers of your personality and experiences. The curiosity you cultivate serves as a potent fuel for attraction. As your conversation partner becomes increasingly captivated by the enigma you represent, their desire to connect with you on a deeper level intensifies. In this way, mystery becomes a captivating element of your allure, making you more appealing and memorable in their eyes. By skillfully weaving elements of intrigue into your interactions, you pave the way for a more profound and lasting connection with those you desire. Find common ground. Establishing a meaningful connection frequently hinges upon the foundation of shared interests and experiences. The process involves a deliberate exploration of commonalities by inquiring about their hobbies, passions, and life experiences. This engagement in shared interests serves as a unifying force, generating a profound sense of belonging and rapport that binds individuals closer together, cultivating a heightened feeling of connection. The journey to uncover shared interests begins with genuine curiosity about the other person's world. By delving into their hobbies and passions, you demonstrate a sincere interest in understanding what makes them tick. This not only facilitates a deeper connection but also showcases your ability to appreciate and value their unique interests. When you strike upon shared pursuits, the effect is transformative. It forges an immediate sense of kinship, affirming that you both tread common ground. This shared resonance fosters a natural camaraderie, as it ignites a shared sense of belonging and understanding. As a result, individuals are left with the impression that they've found someone with whom they can relate on a profound level, further fortifying the bonds of connection and making them feel more intimately connected to you. Use the scarcity principle. The scarcity principle is firmly grounded in the notion that individuals inherently hold a higher regard for those elements perceived as scarce or challenging to acquire. To effectively apply this principle in your interactions, strategically imbue a sense of scarcity into your availability. Avoid constant and immediate accessibility, and let them perceive your time and attention as precious commodities. By doing so, you arouse their curiosity and kindle a heightened desire for your presence. The art of scarcity entails not always being readily available, creating intervals where your presence is less attainable. This tactic communicates the intrinsic value of your time and attention. When others recognize the scarcity of your presence, it triggers a natural curiosity about what makes your time so coveted and your attention so sought after. The allure of this principle lies in its ability to pique interest and stimulate desire. As individuals begin to perceive your presence as a limited resource, their attraction to it intensifies. In essence, the deliberate sense of scarcity adds depth to your appeal, making others yearn for your company and creating an irresistible aura of desirability around you. These 6 psychological strategies have the potential to facilitate the development of profound connections and enhance your ability to create a lasting impact on others. Nevertheless, it is paramount to employ these techniques with the utmost authenticity, respect, and genuine intent. Building meaningful relationships is intrinsically grounded in the pillars of trust and mutual respect, and these strategies should serve as supplements rather than substitutes for these fundamental qualities. As you incorporate these psychological insights into your interactions, always keep in mind the importance of remaining true to yourself. Authenticity should be the guiding principle, allowing your genuine personality to shine through. Authenticity is not only the linchpin to establishing lasting connections but also the key to nurturing genuine love. In essence, these strategies are tools to help you express yourself more effectively and connect on a deeper level with others. They should always be wielded with the awareness that beneath the tactics lies the real you, a person worthy of love and connection. By harmonizing these techniques with your true self, you can navigate the complex landscape of human interactions with sincerity, ultimately leading to more meaningful relationships and authentic connections. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to update more useful information. Thanks for watching.